Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the VASAGLE eBookshelf, a versatile and stylish 5-tier open bookcase that maximizes vertical space in your living room, study, or bedroom. Measuring 9.4 inches deep, 23.6 inches wide, and 52.7 inches high, this bookshelf offers spacious storage for your favorite books and cherished treasures. With adjustable shelves on the first, third, and fourth tiers, you can easily customize the spacing between 8.7 to 11 inches to accommodate tall books, artwork, or storage boxes. Crafted from 0.6-inch thick particle board, this durable bookcase can support up to 22 pounds per tier, ensuring it holds even your heaviest tomes with ease. The slot in back panel and H-shaped structure enhance stability, while the included anti-tip kit allows you to secure it to the wall for added safety. Assembly is a breeze with numbered parts and detailed instructions, so you can have your new storage solution set up in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and home organization tips. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.